If you've got a car that opens at the press of a button, here's what to do if the battery dies and you're locked out.
Step 1.
Have a look at your key fob or remote for any signs of a traditional metal key. 99% of manufacturers build one into the remote. There might be a button that flicks out a silver key stalk when pressed, or there could be one that slides out from the remote at the press of another button.
Step 2.
Once you've found the metal key, you should be able to plug it into the door and manually unlock it.
Step 3.
Once inside, you may find the car doesn't start first go, especially if it has a stop-start button instead of the old key-turn ignition barrel type. In this case, try using the key fob to press the stop-start button instead of using your finger. A magnetic transponder in the remote should synchronize to the car and start the engine.
Step 4.
Now that you're going, make sure you get the battery in your key fob replaced as soon as possible. Auto retail stores, watch repairers and vehicle service centres can usually do this for you.
Step 5.
Still not going? If all else fails and you can't read your owner's manual because it's locked inside the car, try Googling it and include info like your vehicle make, model and year. You're almost guaranteed to find a YouTube or car sales video how to.